Welcome back to our video tutorial series on how to make great ShareMy360.com virtual tours. In this video, we'll show you some of the finer points of how to use the Tour Manager. The Tour Manager is where all ShareMy360.com virtual tours are built. The Tour Manager has lots of tools and features aimed at making the process of building your virtual tour as simple as possible. Let's have a look at the top of the page to the right-hand side. Here you'll see three important blue buttons. They include Save Changes, Publish Tour, and Revert Changes. Save Changes. Of course, it's always a good idea to save changes as you proceed by hitting the Save Changes button. The Publish Tour button. In order to view your tour as a whole or share it with others, you'll need to click the Publish Tour button. Your tour will not be visible until it's published. And then Revert Changes. As the name would imply, if you change your mind or make a mistake, simply click Revert Changes to undo all changes made and revert to the last time you saved your tour. Moving just a little further down the page, right there you'll find the main tools you'll need to build your virtual tours. These buttons appear at the top of the blue window and are Add Photos, Replace Photos, Remove Photos, Add Hotspots, Remove Hotspots, and Settings. Let's describe the functions of each of these buttons. Add Photos. Click this button to add photos to your segment. We gave a step-by-step description of adding images to a segment in the video titled Creating Segments and Adding Images. If you haven't yet seen that video, it'd be very helpful if you take a few moments to do so. Replace Photos. To replace a photo, click on the image in the film strip that you'd like to have replaced. Click the Replace Photo button and then select your new image. The selected image will now be replaced with the new one. Remove Photo. If you want to remove a particular image from your segment, simply highlight it and then click the Remove Photo button. And here's a button you'll get to know very well as you continue to make more and more tours. It's the Add Hotspots button. Hotspots are an integral part of what makes ShareMy360.com virtual tours different. Hotspots are clickable icons that take users to deeper content within your tour. Hotspots can include images, video, audio, web links, or links to other segments in your tour. Almost anything can be included as a hotspot in your tour. Click on the Add Hotspot button, then click on the part of the image that you'd like to add the hotspot to. This is where the icon will appear in your final tour. You'll be given a prompt to determine what kind of content you want to embed into that image. Now you'll see that there's three types of hotspots to choose from: Link to a segment, Embed Media, or Link to Tour. Let's take a couple of minutes to go over each of these three hotspot types. Link to a segment. If you're just starting to build a tour, you won't have any other segments to link to. You're building them now, so go ahead and hit the blue Save button. With your first segment saved, you can now create other segments or parts of your tour and link them together. Make sure you see the Creating Segments video if you have yet to do so. This is your chance to get really creative. Remember, your tour doesn't have to be completely linear. Consider how people will react to your content and what they'll want to see next. Embed Media. You'll use this button to embed all kinds of media like audio, video, PDF documents, Word documents, or a website into your tour. Choose the type of media you'd like to embed into your image, website, video, audio, photo slideshow, or a document. Next, add a title. This will show up in your tour, so think about what your users will understand. Let's take a moment to talk about video because it's kind of special. Please take note that only the ID of a YouTube video needs to be included in the URL section when embedding a video. Using the full link won't work. Currently, YouTube is the only video source that can be embedded into ShareMy360.com virtual tours. For other video sites, you may include them as a website link. You can also select the kind of icon you'd like to represent your hotspot on your image. Scroll down to view the options available and the settings right there on the right. You can also add some custom features to your icons by selecting the options. They're right here at the top right of the icon panel. Adding a photo slideshow. If you'd like to add a slideshow as your embedded media, click that option and you'll be taken to a screen to allow you to upload images to your slideshow. Make sure you watch the video on adding images. And the final embed media option is Link to Tour. This kind of link allows users to immediately link to another ShareMy360.com tour in the system. Adding audio clips and documents to your tour, just follow the exact same steps. Remove hotspots. You'll want to click this button to remove a hotspot. Once this button is clicked, you'll notice that all hotspots on the image become animated. Click on the animated hotspot that you'd like to remove, and you'll be asked to confirm if you'd like to remove said hotspot. Click Confirm to completely remove it. And finally, the Settings tab. This tab allows you to edit the details of your segments. The Settings button has 3 drop-down options: Segment Info, Loop Segment, and Segment Audio. Segment Info, as the name would imply, allows you to edit the title of your segments. Loop Segment is specifically for the images. For panoramic images, the photos will be a seamless looping image. For other segments, the last image will be connected to the first. And Segment Audio. If you'd like audio to play during this segment, you've got a couple of options. If you want to use audio from the web, you can enter the URL address of the audio clip here. Or to get an audio file straight from your computer, click this button. And then you can navigate to the folder on your computer with the audio file you want. You'll also see controls for volume and a loop feature right here. Well, that's it for this video. Coming up in our next vid, we'll show you how to link segments together and then publish your tour. And remember, if you're still having trouble, you can refer to the Help PDF document linked at the bottom of this page or in the info bar below this video. If you're really stuck, we want to help. Send us your email questions to info@sharemy360.com. Our team will get back to you as quick as we can, and you'll almost always get a response within 3 business days.